Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to the new class. Today is our second class of maths. I want you all to take out your countdown books and take out page 4. Today our topic is set notations. Dear students, notation word means a series or system of written symbols used to represent numbers, elements or elements in something such as music or mathematics. Dear students, set notations are basically the three different forms of writing one set. For example, the set of vowels in the English alphabet can be written as set A is equal to set of vowels in the English alphabet in the form of a statement. The above form is called descriptive notation. In descriptive notation, the set is described by a statement, by a sentence, and is not placed within curly brackets. Now, if I'm writing the same set, the same set can be written as that set A is equal to curly bracket A, comma E, comma I, comma O, comma U, curly bracket close. This form is called the tabular notation. In tabular notation, all the elements of the set are listed within curly brackets and separated by commas. But students, it should be clear to you that in tabular form, only those elements which are limited or which are small in numbers, that can be written. In curly bracket, in tabular form, only those sets can be mentioned which has limited elements or which has a small number of elements. For example, if we are given a set that letters in the English alphabet, when there this is limited but a large number of elements in this set. For example, if we are given that in all the natural numbers, there are infinite elements in the set. All natural numbers. It will start from 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So the set can also be written as that A is equal to that A is a set of elements X such that X is the vowels of the English alphabet. This is called the set builder notation. Okay, this is called the set builder notation. In set builder notation, the set is expressed in the form of a rule. In the form of a rule. The set is read as A is a set of elements X such that, this such that word is very important. It will be explained in the next line. X is a vowel of the English alphabet. Instead of the colons symbol, another symbol, a vertical small line is used to indicate such that word. Now the set will be written like this. A is equal to, A is a set, curly bracket, A is a set of elements X. Now vertical line, this vertical line means such that A is a set of elements X such that X is a vowel of the English alphabet. X is a variable. X can be anything in maths. Now here, X can be anything. It's a variable. For example, if they said that X is a number less than 10 or equal to 10, they can give anything, but if it is a kind of rule. Here are some more examples. A set of the real number less than 9 can be written as A is a set of real numbers less than 9. It is the descriptive notation. It is the descriptive notation. Now, if I am writing this A set, this real numbers less than 9 in the tabular form, it will be written as A is equal to curly bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 curly bracket closed. Now how I will write this set in the form of set builder notation. A is equal to curly bracket, A is a set of elements X such that X is less than 9. And all the numbers from 1 to 8 comes in the X. In the X group. We can say that X is the name of a group. So which numbers are coming in this X group? 1 to 8. So a set, if there is another example, that a set of natural numbers up to 18 can be written as A is equal to set of natural numbers less than or equal to 18. Now this is the descriptive form. How I will write the tabular form, tabular notation. It will be a very long set, because I have to write in tabular form. I have to write all the numbers from 1 to 18 inside the curly bracket, and I'll separate them by the commas. Now how I will write them in the set builder notation? A is equal to X. A is equal to elements X, or I can say that A is a set of elements X such that X is equal to or less than 18, curly bracket closed. Okay. Okay, students, now this is exercise 1B. In exercise 1B, you can see that there are 3 parts. Part 1 is on page 5, and part 2 and 3 are on page 6. In part 1, they have given you the sets in the form of set builder notation. In the form of set builder notation, and they are saying they write it in the form of tabular form. It means that you will write the different elements of the set inside the curly brackets, and it will be separated by commas. I'm doing only question 1. The rest of questions you will do it by yourself. In question 1, they are saying that M is a set of X such that X is the name of the presidents of Pakistan. Now, if you will write it in the form of tabular form, in form of tabular notation, then it will be written that M is a set curly bracket. M is a set curly bracket, and then Sikandar Mirza was the first president, then Ayub Khan, then Yahya Khan, then Ziaul Haq, and then Farooq Ahmad Laghari, and then Rafiq Taran, and then Parvez Musharraf, and then Asif Ali Zardari, and then Mamnoon Hussain, and then curly bracket closed. You will write it in this form. Okay, and there are 8 questions. You will do it by yourself. You will they have given you the questions in set builder notation, and you will write it in set tabular notation. Now come to question part B on page number 6. In part B, they have given you some sets that write the following sets in the set builder form. In the set builder form. In question 1, P is a set of the I think these are letters of English alphabet from A to Z, because if you will look at these dots means that they are not writing all the letters, but they have mentioned that all the letters between C and Z. Okay, so how you will write this in set builder notation? You will write it that P is a set of X. P is a set of X such that, look at this symbol, such that X is the number of letters in English alphabets, curly bracket closed. You will write it inside the curly bracket. In this way, you will do all the questions from part 2 as well. Now look at part 3. Write the following sets in tabular form. First, they give you the sets in set builder notation. You convert it into the tabular form. Then they give you the questions again, some questions, and ask you to write it in the set builder notation. And now they have given you in part 3 the descriptive form. And now you will write these descriptive form in the form of tabular notation. So this is very easy. In question 1, set of days in a week. So how you will write? You will write that W, for example, capital letter W is equal to curly bracket, and then you will write Monday, comma, Tuesday, comma, Wednesday, comma, Thursday, comma, Friday, comma, Saturday, comma, Sunday, and curly bracket closed. You will write it in this form, and this is your tabular form now. So today your first task is doing question 1B, all parts, all the questions in your notebook. Now today we have a very easy